In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the unidentified network connection if you're getting limited access or no internet on your Windows 7 or Windows 8 or 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in CMD. Best Match should come back with CMD right underneath Programs. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window asking if you want to allow this following program to make changes to this computer, left click on Yes. Now you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly how it appears on my screen. Then you want to hit enter. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now that you have done that, I would highly suggest you guys type in netsh space winsock space reset. So again, netsh space winsock space reset, and then you want to hit enter. It says successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. I'd recommend that you guys restart your computer at this time, and hopefully your issue should be resolved. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.